Fucking
Alright,
shit.
boys, we go for the scav. If there's a lot of people, we go for different buildings.
What do you mean? As in we go to a different building completely? Or we split up?
Like, yeah, we split out to different buildings to try and get loot. It'll be too risky otherwise. Alright, I think we should go for it.
Fucking. Oh no, it's you guys.
Primary objective is to
One down.
Get fucked, my friend.
watch the skies. Okay, the
Two people downstairs. Oh my god, I got fucked. No, Connor, that's not a good idea.
Oh,
Down.
One down. There's one guy left.
Fuck.
Wait, real. Careful.
Oh man, there's one guy left. No, fuck. Oh man.
Sorry.
fuck.
They had a gun.
I had a fucking pistol, bro.
your
Right, it's
teammate
good.
is
We
in
got
the
the scav and
gulag
we killed
now.
the team. It's
If he
good.
survives, they
Only
redeploy.
one of us died, so.
No,
Fuck my
there's
life.
another squad here at the door. They're at the door. Got time to get me?
I got you.
Come, stand up.
Bro, you joking? Fucking pistol.
Bruh, I done 28 damage. My 28 damage is what killed the guy. Oh, I didn't kill him. Someone else got the kill. Oh, Tommy. Oh, no!
Your
Oh,
teammate
they're on the
is
scav. They're on
Stand
the
by.
scav.
Yeah.
They're on the top of the...
Get up there.
I jump on the car and jump on the roof.
Aid station here.
Bro, I think you just got shot at.
Did I? Oh, that big.
We need that scav. Push with me. The fuck? There's someone near here.
Gas grenade.
Yeah, look, 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 look.
Hotels moving.
Why are you giving the thumbs up?
Did you see that shit?
It's like you saw him and you gave him the thumbs up. Like, yeah, see you later, bro.
I get the controls mixed up, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, that is crazy.
They're on me.
I mean,
Two on me. One down.
I'm hit.
Hey, that side. Wrong gun. To the wrong gun. Oh, that's
oh
it.
man, fuck, man.
Get it done.
Team wipe.
Yeah, well, now we've got 2 players to get back.
Fuck's sake.
And the scav to get.
Oh, there's people.
Target sighted.
Yeah, they're gonna go for the buy. Wait, don't shoot yet.
Too late. There's one here.
One down.
Oh, the one's cracked here. Fuck. No way, bro. No way. I couldn't get through the fucking window, man.
Team wipe.
What a joke. Yeah, get me back in, bro. You're right next to the buy box.
I know. Rob, you get him in. I'll buy a loadout.
Nope.
Rob, did you get
Look
your
at my
loadout?
schnitzels. Yeah, I
I've
got my
got solid
loadout.
guns, it's alright.
Oh, look, on the box.
On what box?
On the buy, on the loadout, on our loadout.
There's multiple teams on it.
Care package spotted.
On the left loadout. Cracked. He's down. Adrian, get in that house next to you.
Enemy vehicle.
Run it.
I got it.
He was on the fence. Yeah, he was there.
On the wall, yeah.
On the wall. Yeah, sorry.
No, he's coming back for it.
Cracked.
Coordinate sent. Hit them.
No, someone's behind us. Someone's behind us, I
Strike
think.
inbound.
Downed.
Gas
Right.
is
That's a
moving.
kill.
No hits on that run.
I got no heartbeat behind us, are you sure?
Oh shit. Someone's near the blue building. I can't get that loadout and I got no bullets.
Blue building.
Yeah, near the blue building.
Oh, big blue.
That one.
Armor located.
Yeah.
Blue building. He just flew in on top of the blue building.
Yeah.
Got an enemy.
He's on the roof.
On loadout. Cracked. Good job. Is
Found
that,
him.
you got it, yeah? Finish him. Yeah.
I can't finish him now, I got no bullets. Oh, there you go.
Good. Car.
Enemy
Full
vehicle.
vehicle. Cracked one.
Cracked one.
I might go for all that loot next to the loadout.
Yeah, let me go, because I got no. Oh, actually, yeah, go. Fuck it.
Yeah, there's bear shit, man. There's plenty for everyone. Alright, I'm gonna get Ghost.
Yeah, me too.
Alright, I'm going back. Someone get an armor box. There's an armor box here.
I got the ammo box.
Body armor here.
Try to get that.
Armor, yeah, we need an armor
Oh
box.
my god, there is so much stuff here. I just want to live in it. I just want to live in this shit. Oh my god. There's just so many things here. Oh my god. But we got another loadout drop behind us. What the hell, bro?
That's the one I bought.
No.
Loadout.
The one
Two
you
people on
bought
loadout. Whole
disappeared,
team on
bro.
loadout. One down.
Joking.
Two down. Oh my god, Rob. What the fuck?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Drove in.
Afterwards. Just pick up your guns afterwards.
Wait. Is someone at loadout again?
Where? Ping.
Correct? Got him.
This
Down.
one.
Kill him. Full kill. Always full kill.
I can't see him, bro.
Hit him once.
His teammate's coming right now. He's getting rezzed. He got raised 100%.
Behind this car. One down. Two down. Team wipe.
Fuck.
Get your shit and back off.
You're losing ground.
They're flying near me.
Can't see anything, bro.
One down. Whole team here. Here. Ping.
There. Move it.
Not a whole team, but there's more people in that house.
Through here.
They're fighting now.
Yeah?
Enemy UAV overhead.
Another one down.
Look.
One team wipe.
No, there's one here. There's another one here.
Team wipe.
Motherfucker. I'm here trying to check my heartbeat and you're killing everyone.
In this house, in front. Oh no, he's running over here.
Wait marked.
31 meters in
Gas is
front.
closing in.
In this house.
Wait marked. Move up.
Upstairs. Dead.
Run. Get
There's
to
another
the
one.
zone.
There's another one here this side.
Moving here.
Another team, another team. One dead.
I think he was the one on my heartbeat.
Cracked. The guy who's shooting at Rob.
Yep.
Dead.
Two teams.
There's another one here.
Relocating.
I see movement.
I think anyway.
We need to move because of the circle, remember?
On my green marker.
No, Rob, back off. Rob, back off. You're too far up. You're way too far up. Should I get out shooting you, Rob?
One down.
Go.
Keep running, you two.
Come in. Don't worry. I'm gonna try go over to the right hand side a little bit, and I'm gonna cover you, Tommy. Give me a second.
No,
Tommy.
no, we know to go. We shouldn't go up there. We should go. Look over here.
There. Move it.
Yeah, but I'm covering who's coming behind.
I got you. I got.
What the hell?
He's over here on me. Rob, check your right hand side of the house. The right hand side of the house.
Nice.
Not a team wipe.
Kill.
No way.
Come. Stand up.
No way. I got gas mask, so.
Setting
Run and wiggle. Run and wiggle. Rob, get into the blue, big blue.
Fighting done. The area's cleared out. Gas is moving in.
There's people in
New
this
safe
house.
zone located.
9 meters here.
9 meters here. 9 meters.
Rob, come upstairs. Come upstairs.
Friendly drop back.
I think they're upstairs. I think they're upstairs.
Yeah, yeah, definitely. Down there.
No, let's go downstairs. Downstairs. We won't be able to push this. We're gonna have to go from the floor. There's a team big red as well. Big red.
Definitely.
I got their own heartbeat, so 100%. All right, there.
Behind.
Get me up. Get me up.
Get up. Now.
I keep going down like a motherfucker, man.
Oh shit.
Go. Run up the hill. Up the hill.
And I've got no armor.
Check left and right.
Right looks kind of clear. Oh, they're on top of the station. They're on top of the TV. On top of TV.
Adrian, that house right in front. Yep, you know.
Huh?
Yeah, you go get that house. That house is good.
Enemy UAV overhead.
So I deploy this armor box.
Yeah.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Does anyone need ammo?
No.
Enemy UAV.
Oh shit.
Get back.
Yeah, I'm pulling back.
Gas is moving.
Now.
They're pushing.
Pushing.
That's a lot of damage!
I just killed a whole bloody team.
Bro, I think you killed a load of bloody teams. You've got 22 fucking kills.
Still top of TV station. Get all the loot you need, by the way.
2 of them up there.
Gas
There's
is
one up there.
closing. Get to the new safe zone.
They can still stay up there. There's still 11 people alive. We might have to push for the for the left hand side here. Push slowly though, push slowly.
Yeah. I'm not going anywhere fast, bro.
I'm pretty sure, I'm pretty certain there's someone in there. I'm pretty certain, but we're gonna have to use that house as cover. We can use the outside of it. I'm running for the left hand side now.
Only 10 are left.
Rob, careful with Rob running about. Careful.
clear.
TV station is not looking.
Sounds good.
Sounds is good.
I'm staying here for a little bit. You guys
Yeah.
do your thing.
You're at the bottom.
Down there.
Guy there.
I see
Right, this
movement.
Bro, this gun is shit.
Oh no! There's someone coming through.
Gas is
the
inbound.
left.
Marking new safe zone.
One down.
You've got gas coming in.
Wow, we
Fuck's
did
sake,
that.
took the other.
Less than 5 targets remain.
I'm dead.
Your team is KIA. It's up to you now.
They're fighting someone else.
Fuck!
Only 5 remain. You are close to
Bro,
victory.
no way!
25 kills.
Return to base with your
Ah, damn.
Jesus Christ, that was nice.